Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and it's Slow Cooker Comfort Food Month. I had some camera issues and lost some of my files, but here is mushroom beef Slummgullian. What we have here is a package of stew beef. And in this jar, I have dehydrated scallop potato slices, dehydrated leeks, green beans, onion, celery, and just a tablespoon of MSG-free onion soup mix. I have a can of mushrooms. I have a can of mushroom soup and stew beef. Now, one of the things about this one is this isn't going to come out like stew like you think it's going to, because I'm using all dehydrated vegetables except for the mushrooms. And I accidentally left some water in there. I thought I strained them, but I didn't. And now we're going to, now there's a reason why I do it in this method. I put frozen meat on the bottom always, then something wet, then our dry ingredients, shake them on down. There's so many things you could do with cans of soup, it's not funny. Okay, so here's my can of mushroom soup. And I'm gonna tilt it back and forth a bit so that it kind of covers everything. And then I'm just going to pour one more can of water. Now, why am I doing this? Because almost all of my ingredients are dehydrated. All right, so we'll check on this later and then we'll let you know what Daddy thinks. Okay, can't find my glass lid. It's in the dishwasher, so let's have a look. So now we start busting this up, and that liquid's going to get absorbed by our veggies, by our dehydrated veggies. Now, if you want it to have a little more color, or even a little more flavor, you can give it. Feel free to give it a little shot of soy sauce. This is going to be amazing. Try and press, make sure now you press down all your veg under the juice. Put that going, and I'm going to leave my oven mitt on top of that to keep the heat in. Okay, we've decided to call this mushroom beef stew. Not beef mushroom, mushroom beef. Well, let's get some into Daddy. Pepper. This is mushroom beef Slummgullian.
Mushroom beef Slummgullian.
Yeah, it's hot.
Very tasty.
Okay, add it to the roster of crockpot dinners.
Sure.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, Papa. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, see, I told you I had some camera issues. Howie loved it, though. Take care. God bless.